how to create a YouTube channel with parental controls. So let's get right into the tutorial. First, you need to go ahead and open up your preferred browser. And in the search, you need to search for youtube.com. After that, make sure that you've logged into your YouTube on your browser. Then go with your profile, which will be in the top right. From the profile here, as you can see that you will have settings option. You just need simply tap on settings. Now under settings, you'll get this kind of interface. You can go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then exit the desktop mode. Now go with your profile, which will be in the bottom right. Okay, need to go with settings, which will be in the top right. You'll get this kind of interface. Now tap on general. Under general, you'll have an option of restricted mode. So you need to just simply go and turn on or toggle on the restricted mode. This will help hide potentially mature videos. And this is how you can create a YouTube channel with parental controls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.